Housekeeper. A person employed to manage cleaning, cooking, and other tasks in a household or hotel. The housekeeper cleans the rooms every morning. They hired a housekeeper to help with the chores. The housekeeper prepared breakfast for the guests. She asked the housekeeper to organize the living room. The hotel's housekeeper ensures every room is spotless.